Welcome back, idiot in both channel. Let's be careful, girl. Just be careless and you'll regret it. Funny, how to buy motorcycle you need a license to leave a dealer, but not with a jet ski. That's why any moron can just buy one, have those freaking things. Poor guy lost the axle coming out the ramp. Trailer failed, but he getting it out of the way so everyone else can use the ramp. He's a good Oliver. It seems that the high-speed boat has low control and collided with their boat. Thankfully, no unfortunate damage occurred. How far can he go? This is 40 horsepower Mercedes and a solar boat. Haha, it looked like he was smashing through the Arctic at first. Running a tail on open boat is so fun.